What's up guys, hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can promote MaxBounty survey offers to make good income online. Many people are trying to promote survey offers but they do not know which traffic source to use or what are the right type of a funnel in order to promote such type of offers. This is the video for you. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept and how to become an entrepreneur. So if you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to earn a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, then I will put that link in the description box. You can start your journey from today using that link. So let's get started. This is my MaxBounty account and I have already shared a video about how you can approve your MaxBounty account. So if you do not have an already MaxBounty account, you can just go through that video to get more insight about. And now click on search campaigns, and from here you can move to the search options, and from here just pick up survey offers. So just survey offers and mobile optimized and my approved offers. So just click on search. So now you can search for different survey offers. I generally sort those results using EPC. Let's look at different survey offers. So I generally try to promote offers in the USA or Canada, Australia, so it is up to you. And just look at the EPC. Higher the EPC, the better would be for you, and should also be higher CPA rate. So this is your earning, per lead you will earn $3.20. so let's suppose you have picked up inbox dollars offers and it is giving you $2.80 and its CPC is 0.52 cents. So that's awesome. And just open up that offer, read the restrictions or read the conditions, what are the traffic source that are allowed for that offer. And after reading those conditions or reading those guidelines, now let's move to our simple funnel. That is very simple diagram, like that is the traffic coming into your landing page. That landing page is connected to your offer. So that button, let's suppose somehow anyone clicked on that button, they will be moved to that offer page, and if they fill out the email address or fill out a form, you will earn commission. Now the main thing, this is creating that type of funnel is really simple. I have also already shared videos about how to create a landing page, and so I do not want to be sharing that video in order to make it so long. So just this video is about strategy, so how you can promote offers like surveys. So the best thing is, and the most important thing is, the traffic source. Best traffic sources for the survey offers. As you know that survey offers you can earn from $1 to at most $3. So the most and the preferable traffic sources for these type of survey offers are free traffic system. And what are free traffic system? You are running a blog and you already have a targeted traffic. You are running a YouTube channel and you are getting traffic from YouTube search or YouTube browse videos. So it would be better to promote CPA offers. The third one is social traffic, like you have a profile on Facebook, you have a profile on Instagram, or even you have a profile on Snapchat. So that's how you can promote these type of offers on those social media platforms. Apart from these platforms, there are also other tons of platforms out there like Quora, Twitter, LinkedIn, from where you can also get traffic as well. But these are the most popular traffic generation sources for these types of offers. However, if you are looking for paid traffic sources, you need to be very careful about using those traffic sources. Why? Because as the earning potential of these type of survey offers are only between $1 to $3, so it would be really tough for you to earn a positive return on investment. So just look at Google. Most of the times you will get clicks at the rate of 0.50 cents to 75 cents. So just imagine let's suppose you are getting 50 cents per click and you are earning $2 per lead. So you must provide a lead before 4 clicks. If 4 clicks have been clicked on your ad, you will be charged $2, 50 cents for 1 click, so 4 clicks for $2. So as per my experience with paid traffic, you will get conversion between 7 to 8 clicks, or even 9 to 10 clicks. So if you are getting 50 cents per click and you are getting lead on every 10th click, so it means you are investing or spending $5 and you are getting one lead for $2 or $3. So it would be really tough for you to promoting survey offers via paid traffic. And same is the case with Bing. So if you just look at the Bing, though cheaper than the Google, but still you can get charged like 40 cents to 60 cents. The same case applies here to the Bing. Let's suppose you are getting conversion on every 10th click and you are charging here for 40 cents. So you are spending $4 for one lead, and for one lead you will earn $2 to $3. So again, you will be in a negative return on investment. That's why I am again saying you that you need to be very careful. Now let's look at the Facebook. Here you can get cheaper clicks, but in order to get cheaper clicks, you must have an ad that has a good click-through rate. But if you do not have a good click-through rate, then you may be charged like $1, $1.5, or even $2. So be careful using Facebook. I generally work on Facebook and promote survey offers while running different ad sets. Let's suppose I have created my 5 images. I will create different ad sets for each image, and I test these images. So if anyone are the image which has the highest click-through rate, generally I prefer to have a click-through rate above 7%. So that ad or that image I will then be selected, and then I will create different ad sets based on different interest, and so I optimize my campaigns using different criterias. But if you are getting good click-through rate, then you will be charged 20 cents per click, 30 cents per click, or even 35 cents per click. So still let's suppose you are charging here on Facebook about 20 cents per click, and you are getting lead for every 10th click. So you are spending $2, and let's suppose you are earning $2. So definitely you are in a break-even situation. But you can definitely further optimize those campaigns. Like once you are getting enough data, you can also create a local like audience to increase your conversion rate. But at that point, so you can get profitable. But at the start, it would be difficult for you, and creating different ad sets and different running different ads. So you must have a good budget in order to start your journey with Facebook. You can get profitable on Facebook, I am not denying that. So now let's move to our next traffic source, that is Snapchat. Snapchat is not as competitive as other traffic sources are, because there is not as much traffic as you can see on Facebook or other traffic social media or other search engine platform. So that's why there is a less advertising competition. So once you have less competition, you will be charged fewer than other platforms. So here you can also make some decent income, and I have seen that people are getting clicks at the rate of 15 cents, 20 cents, are 10 cents per click or 10 cents per swipe up. Definitely you have a great chance if you are running your ads on Snapchat, and this platform also has more or even much relaxation than Facebook, Google, or other social platforms out there. So you can use Snapchat, but definitely it has not that much conversion here. Then you will get conversion on Google or Facebook or Bing. So but still you can use Snapchat in order to check whether you are getting positive return on investment. So once you look at your data, definitely you can scale your campaigns very quickly. So these are different traffic methods for I've just given you a brief overview about which traffic source is good for the survey offers. Preferably I like to promote survey offers using free traffic methods, and but from time to time I am also trying different paid traffic methods in order to get or in order to check whether this type of offer is converting with that method or not. So it is up to you which traffic method you want to choose, but I definitely recommend the free traffic methods. This is the video for you, and if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.